video on how to do barbecue chicken. I have my chicken all seasoned and nice, soaked and marinate right here. You know, seasoning is the best part of your meat. I'm going to use some flour. I have some salt for taste, and I'm going to add my garlic and a little piece of pepper to my oil for taste. Right, so let's get into the video. I have my frying pan on and with oil getting ready. I'm using bag, a clear clean plastic bag, to put my flour in. You know, if you're french frying chicken and you don't have it in a bag, my dear, it's not all coated. Get it? So I'm going to add the flour into the bag and a pinch of salt for taste, and then we'll begin. I've added my flour and my salt to my bag because this is where you'll get it all coated. Your chicken will be all coated in flour and good to go. All right, in the meantime, the oil is being hot. I'm going to go ahead and add my garlic and pepper to the hot oil. My garlic and pepper. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken. I'm going to add 2 pieces at a time into the bag. I'm adding 2 pieces at a time to the bag. And I'm going to close the bag, give it a spin, and I'll show you. See, the chicken is getting all coated. Get it all coated. I'm going to take it out, dust off the excess, and put it into the hot oil. See, I did not overcrowd my pot. I just added 4 pieces of meat in it. I'm going to cover it and let it fry through for about 15 minutes covered, and the next 5 to 6 minutes uncovered. Okay, it's been frying for the past 20 minutes. I've just taken off the cover, and it's going to fry for the next 5 to 6 minutes, and then we're going to put it into our barbecue sauce, and then you have your perfectly done homemade barbecue chicken. This is the finishing look of our fried chicken that we're going to put into our barbecue sauce that we made. The link is going to be in the description below for this barbecue sauce. It's homemade. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click the subscription button and click the bell so when I put out new video you'll be notified. Like and remember to share. Okay, all right, now I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken to my sauce and give it my spin. This is our chicken in our barbecue sauce. Going to give it a spin. This is the look you will get from the sauce and the chicken. I am going to plate this and let you see the finishing look of my barbecue chicken. Alright, I'm going to do the others. This is our chicken, barbecue chicken with barbecue homemade sauce. The link will be in the description below for the barbecue sauce. Homemade barbecue chicken. Beautiful, beautiful. We're on it.